Hello students, today we will start chapter 2 working with Windows 7. Windows is an operating system that acts as an interface between the user and the computer. So Windows एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है जो हेल्प करता है, जो एक इंटरफेस है यूज़र और कंप्यूटर के बीच में, जो बताता है कंप्यूटर को ऑल द इंस्ट्रक्शंस दैट आर गिवन बाय द यूज़र. एंड विंडोज़ वॉज डेवलप्ड बाय माइक्रोसॉफ्ट. सो ही इज़ बिल गेट्स, he is the founder of Microsoft, and the first edition of Windows operating system was introduced in 1995 and was called Windows 95. So the first edition of Windows operating system was Windows 95. After that, increase in usage of technology and continuous research, many more editions of Windows are developed. बहुत सारे रिसर्च के करके और नई टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज़ करके और भी एडवांस्ड एडिशन आए विंडोज़ के, जो थे विंडोज़ 98, 2000, विंडोज़ मी, विंडोज़ एनटी, विंडोज़ 2000, विंडोज़ एक्सपी, विंडोज़ विस्टा, विंडोज़ 7, विंडोज़ 8 and Windows 10. So the Windows 10 edition is the latest version of Windows. In your course, Windows 7 is given and we will talk about its feature. So the features of Windows 7 are: it is fast, smart and safe. It is very fast, its processing speed is fast in comparison to the previous versions of Windows. ये फास्ट, स्मार्ट और सेफ है इसके पुराने वर्जन्स के अकॉर्डिंग. ये दिस इज़ ईजी टू लर्न एंड यूज़. It is very easy to learn. Those who know how to use it can easily use it, as it is user friendly, and those who don't know how to use a computer with this operating system, they can handle it with ease. Next, it plays music and videos. It can play music and videos with the help of CD, DVD, pen drives, and quality can be MP3, MP4 and HD. And it also support high definition games. जो गेम्स आप प्ले करते हैं HD में, HD गेम्स भी ये सपोर्ट करता है. Next is maintains personalized work environment through multiple user supports. Though multiple user can work in this Windows, so ये personalized work environment maintain करता है. Next is support global connectivity. It connects all the computer worldwide with the help of wired or wireless network. ये वर्ल्ड वाइड ग्लोबली कनेक्टिविटी सपोर्ट करता है. इफ़ यू वांट टू सर्च एनीथिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंटरनेट, यू कैन डू with the help of this Windows 7. After talking about the features of Windows 7, now we will talk about desktop. Desktop is derived from the real life desktop, that is the top of our working or study table. ये जो वर्ड डेस्कटॉप है वो हमारी रियल लाइफ डेस्कटॉप से रिलेटेड है, डिराइव्ड है, जिसका मतलब होता है कि जहाँ हम काम कर रहे हैं या स्टडी टेबल, जहाँ पे हमें सारी चीज़ें मिलती हैं, होती हैं, जो हमारे काम को हेल्पफुल होती हैं, काम के लिए हेल्पफुल होती हैं. दैट लाइक पेन स्टैंड, नोट पैड, कैलकुलेटर, फाइल्स, जो हमारे काम को ईजी करती हैं. सो हियर इन विंडोज़ डेस्कटॉप सर्व द सेम पर्पस. वो सेम ही पर्पस सॉल्व करता है विंडोज़ में भी, जहाँ पर हम वेरियस आइकन लाइक ऑब्जेक्ट फाइंड करते हैं, शॉर्टकट आइकन्स, डॉक्यूमेंट आइकन, डिस्क ड्राइव आइकन, like that. So all these are the icons that are found in desktop. Here various icons are there. The shortcut icon, where you find the jump arrow at the left bottom, and this is desktop, and this is taskbar, where you find all the things that you do, and this is known as notification area. The button you find in the bottom left, this is start button that help you to select the various things. This is my computer or computer that tell you about all the things that are in your drive in your computer, like local disk CD and all the information that are in your computer, and all the folders as well. Next is these are application icon that are for a particular purpose, like VLC media player and Winamp is for songs, listening songs and videos, and Bandicam is for recording the screen, and many more applications are there that help you to do a particular thing. And these are the document files. It can be of Excel, Word, Access, anything. And next is network. It allows you to the access to share files or devices on the different computer on the network, like local area network, and you can share your files with other devices with the help of this network icon. So these are the things that you find on your desktop.